Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Your greatest breakthrough. Even though you may not see a solution or a means of escape, no source, the ultimate provider, has all the answers you're looking for, and he knows how to orchestrate it for your greatest good. Your answer lies in not doubting the process and not giving in to fear. What you think is a hindrance may actually be what causes your greatest breakthrough. Remain open-minded and know the infinite, limitless universe has everything you need. And he's aware of all your desires as he steadily works to conspire on your behalf. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I believe this with all my heart and soul. I believe you just need to let go and let Source, God, the universe, whatever you want to call that, let it open the doors for you and just walk through them. God knows what you want. He's in you, around you. He's everything. Just be aware that he's always working on your behalf. Even when you think he's not, it's the little things that you need to pretend it's like you're putting, pieces into like you're making a puzzle. And you got to put all the pieces, you can't just have it all done at once, right? So you got to put all the little pieces together, and those are the doors that are opening for you. So just follow those doors that open, put them in place where they're supposed to be, when they're supposed to be. The universe, God, whatever you call that power, it knows when the right thing should happen at the right time, always. Just keep your vibes, slow your vibes, keep them slow. Don't get all hyper. Just relax and follow through with it. Just keep down your path. It doesn't have to be done right this second. Enjoy the journey. That's part of it. Enjoy getting there. You'll be much more happy. Again, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.